Hi everyone, my name is James, one of the co-founders of Portant, and in this video I'm going to share with you how our Copper to Google Docs integration works. To get started, just head on over to the integration section of Copper, where you can scroll down and find Portant, where you can connect it to your account. After you've connected Portant, you'll see a Portant card on the right-hand side of any opportunity. The next step is to create your first Portant workflow so you can generate documents from Copper. Here's what a Portant workflow looks like. We're taking information from Copper, we're generating a proposal, and then we're requesting it to be signed. If we jump into the document block, you can see why people love to use Portant. People love to use Portant for the same reason they love to use Copper, because they're deeply integrated in Google Workspace. You have all the formatting options in Google Docs up here, which you can use to customize the look of your document. And then on the right-hand side, we have all the data we're able to insert from Copper. If we scroll down to a field we want to insert, we just click on Copy, we insert the cursor in the document, and then paste in the tag. And as I mentioned before, all Google Docs formatting options are available, so we can customize how this tag is inserted, and then the data from Copper will be added with the same formatting. If we scroll down to the bottom of this document, we can see it's been requested to be signed. Just to jump in here, if you want any details about how to set up eSignatures on Portant, we have videos about that too. Now back to the video. And then if we go back to Copper, we can run this workflow. So I'm just going to click the Start button. It's going to take all the information from this Copper opportunity, send it to Portant, and then Portant's going to send the document details back to Copper. So after that's run, you can see that Portant's added some details in the activity feed, where we can click on the proposal template and see all the information that's been added. And then on the right-hand side, you can see we've generated a PDF and added it to the file section. And then if I refresh the screen, you can see the email we've sent to request the document to be signed. And the other cool thing is, because Copper is so deeply integrated with Gmail, you can actually open up this signature request and click on the Review and Sign button, scroll down to the bottom of the document, add your signature, insert, agree, and it's been signed. And then if we go back, you can see that the signed copy has also been emailed and logged in Copper too. And that's all there is to it. We are super excited about this integration. Please check it out. And if you've got any questions, give me a shout. Cheers.